It's raining, no, it's not.
Right here.
Buzz Lightyear?
Oh, it's
Oh, Buzz Lightyear is flying. Don't let it go, okay? Where's your kite?
Up, up.
Whoa, it's so high, Gavin.
very good.
Look, it's so high.
Yeah.
Don't let it go, Gavin, okay?
Go.
That's the size of birds. Ano, wala hangin.
There is my kite.
The bird will eat your kite. No. Don't worry. You're like Caillou flying his kite. Wow. Don't let it go, okay? Where's your kite now?
Makatakot.
Look, my promise.
Your stroller.
Hold.
Promise.
Want daddy to hold?
No.
Can daddy hold? Why not?
Where's your kite now? Oh, where is it? Oh, so high! You're so good in kite flying, Gavin. Yee, are you?
Papa